Hey there, I'm Heather.
And I'm Sheldon.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we're over here in Laguna Beach and have the most adorable little beach cottage just steps from the sand. Give me some more information.
I love this place. It's just turnkey ready.
Yes.
And there's also an extra building in the back. So it's an investor's dream. Amazing location. Y'all check it out.
It's only 1 block from right here where we're standing. This public beach access number 81. You already mentioned the extra property in the back that you can make 2 parcels out of. It's just fantastic. The design and the decor is quintessential cottage beach, and it's perfect for a second home, or it is a rental master. That thing is a machine. You're out here on Laguna Beach. You're close to Carillon and 30A, as well as not being far from Pier Park. It is absolutely perfect. If you'd like more information, look in the description below, click on the MLS listing, and check it out. And don't forget to follow us on thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so that you know when our next video is available.